We love our air fryer. It's nice and big. You can fit quite a lot in there, probably like a pie. You could bake cookies. It comes with all the lots of different attachments. The regular pan. It actually inside you can see it has an attachment where you can put rotisserie chicken, all kinds of different settings, air fry. So you choose what you're gonna cook. So if I was gonna do fries, I would choose that. And then over here you select the time and the temperature, and then you hit start and it'll either just start cooking, it's on air fry setting, or it'll say preheat, and then it'll beep when it's time, and then it'll beep when it's halfway through if it's something that you need to flip over. I find my kids cook for themselves more often because it's easier than the big old oven, and yeah, we're really liking it.